Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or on Capital One notifications on your iPhone. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start seeing their Capital One notifications on their iPhone. How do you actually turn it on or off? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to go into your settings tab here. And then on this page here, you want to scroll down to where you see the button called notifications. So click on notifications. Now, this is the really important step, guys. From here, you want to scroll down to where you find your Capital One app. So Capital One, it's listed in alphabetical order. It's this app here, then the red and white. So click on Capital One. Now on this page here, you're going to see this toggle button that says allow notifications. So if you click on or off notifications, you'll see that the settings and alerts for the notifications for Capital One have been removed. But if I click on the toggle button again, you'll see that the notifications have been turned back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on or off Capital One notifications on your iPhone. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.